Namaste. Now we are going to see Sashankasana or rabbit posture. This posture is also very good for the digestive system. You have to sit in Vajrasana like this. After coming into Vajrasana, you must keep your back straight and toes are going out. And then when you inhale, slowly raise your both hands up. Chin slightly tucked out. As you exhale, go down slowly like this. And keep your forehead on the floor. And then inhale up. And then again drop your hands down. Now we are going to see the possible mistakes in Sashankasana. After going down, raising the hip up like this is wrong. Sitting on the heel is very important in this practice. Not keeping the forehead on the floor. Few people cannot keep the head on the floor. So you can make your hands like this. Make fist in your hand and keep your one hand over the other. Comfortably sit and then keep your forehead on the fist. Those who are not able to keep the forehead on the floor, you can adopt this method. But the important thing is sitting on the heel. And then slowly come up. The another method of coming up is take your both hands behind, hold the right wrist with the left hand and coming up. You can come out from the posture like this also. This practice regulates the adrenal glands and it helps us to become calm. And those who are so angry, irritated, they can do this practice. Actually, mind will become so calm and cool. And this Sashankasana works as counter pose for Ustrasana. And this practice you can do separately, but Ustrasana, if you do Ustrasana, you must do this practice. But this practice can be done separately. Namaste.